In the whispers of the rain, where secrets keep, a love story written in droplets so deep. Raindrops echo where emotions seep. In the whispers of the rain, our love takes a leap. Umbrella of love, in the storm we find whispers in the rain, like a gentle kind, a dance of hearts in the rain-soaked mind. In the symphony of raindrops, our loves bind. Whispers in the rain, a tender serenade, hand in hand, in the misty cascade, in the downpour of love, where dreams are made. In the whispers of the rain, our love won't fade. Through the misty haze, our love unfolds. Whispers in the rain, where passion molds. Puddles mirror stories, where our love holds.